This Luscious Lotus set is amazing. I don't want to wash my hair this weekend. I'm going to wash my hair this weekend, but I'm not going to wash it tomorrow. So I'm going to experiment with all this hold and all this definition. OMG. Look at this. I love it. Okay, here goes the experiment. And you can watch. The reason I say this is an experiment is because I've never created this style after wearing a wash and go for a few days. I can't see anything without my glasses. My hair is jumping for joy at the fact that I am going to use some serum. Yes, it's ready. I'm using serum on my fingers just to help eliminate any friction or unnecessary frizz with this hairstyle. So after I've worn my wash and go for a few days, because it has so much definition, I am now going in to create Bantu knots, and I'm going to create a Bantu knot out style. Yes, if you're interested, keep watching. So for this Bantu knot out hairstyle, I'm separating my wash and go into 8 sections. And for each section, I'm making sure that my fingers are well oiled so that there's no unnecessary friction as I twist each section. So I'm naturally separating my hair in the way that it wants to go, meaning I'm not forcing any of my curls apart. I'm being careful to make sure that I separate it as the individual strands are separated naturally. Since my hair has been shingled during my wash and go, it allows for an easier separation. So I'm able to go in and grab chunks of hair and twist them together. You can see the elasticity in my hair here. So I'm gently pulling each section or stretching each section. You'll see that again right here. Stretching each section just to give me a little bit of length, and it elongates my curls. I'm going for a fluffy hairstyle. Since I already have definition in my hair, I don't necessarily need to make lots of small Bantu knots. You can just make, or I'm making, larger Bantu knots because I want more of a wave pattern in my hair. And this is going to enhance the definition, the curls that I already have. Here's what it looks like. As you can see, neat parts are not necessary. And of course, this is at night, so I am protecting my strands with a scarf. Yep. What does this look like? Looks good. Good night. Good morning. Here's the next day where we're taking out our Bantu knots. They're a bit smashed, but that's okay because we're going to fluff them up anyway. So I am going to go ahead and make sure that I'm using a bit of serum on my fingers. So once again, there's no unnecessary frizz or friction while I'm taking down my Bantu knots. So going in carefully, separating each part of the twist and pulling my hair apart where it naturally wants to separate. unraveling each twist. Separating one section at a time by stretching out the section. And I really start on the ends, separating the ends to make sure they are not tangled up really helps with ease, so that I can go into each section and separate it even further. This last twist here, let's shake it all out. With all this definition from my wash and go, I have that definition on top of some nice big waves in a curly hairstyle. I can wear a part on one side. Here I am switching it to the other side. For some reason, this side gives me a bit more volume in the front, and I think I like it. Yep, this is what I'm going with. I love it. I love it.